Alright guys, I gotta correct a mistake I made. I did not use Loctite on my carburetor. Go in here, I got a wiggling carburetor. That's no good. So I gotta take that sucker off and remount, actually using some Loctite this time, because I'd rather not have to redo this again. So I'll take some footage as I go here, and let's see how it goes. Alright, main part of the carburetor's off, hanging up there. Don't see any sense in disconnecting it too much. It's going to go right back down. Yeah, as you can see, a little bit of wiggle here where I don't want it to be. So I got to clean this up, replace seals as needed or reseal, and make sure I Loctite as I go this time. Alright, got to clean them up a little bit here. All the plates are off, 1, 2, and of course this is still sealed well on the bottom, so I'm not going to break that seal. And I'm going to put it together in reverse order here, and it should work better and hopefully not come loose this time. Alright, I've resealed and re-Loctited this time. The bottom plate nice and stiff this time. I got the next plate prepared with the mounting bolts Loctited in ahead of time. Now I just need to mount this using the gasket here to there, and we'll get it going. Alright, second plate's on. Giving it a few moments here, just wiped around the excess where I was sealing it with some goop. And I'm gonna get the actual carburetor mounted here in a moment. Alright everybody, back to where we begun. We're fully back together. As you can see here, not shaky at all Loctited up, all sealed up again, and all nice and clean. So let's give this thing a cranking. I'll try to position you here so you could see it turn on. Over here. Alright guys, get away here from the engine noise a little bit. So far so good. Sounds like she's purring like a kitten. As good as I expect this 30-year-old engine to do. And time to go for a little bit of test drive here in a moment. Is out for a test drive here, feeling how it's responding. You got no lights on the dash, which is good. And